Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of German American Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install the German American mobile banking application on your device. Then you tap and open the mobile banking application. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your username first. Then go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, you simply tap and log in where you will get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of German American Bank. Just in case if you forgot your account credential of mobile banking application of German American Bank, you need to tap on the option given, that is forgot login. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your account credential. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can get logged in into the mobile banking application of German American Bank. Thank you.